In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website mobile friendly. We'll keep this simple and focused, starting with how to view your site the way your visitors do on their phones, and then refining the content so it's easy to read and tap on smaller screens. First, open your site in the Wix editor and look for the mobile icon, usually a small phone symbol in the top bar. Click that to switch from the desktop canvas to the mobile canvas. Think of this as a dedicated workspace for small screens. The layout you adjust here is tailored for mobile, so position and size changes are mobile only, while content edits like rewriting text or changing an image will reflect on both desktop and mobile. That separation is helpful. You can fine-tune spacing and sizing for phones without breaking your desktop design. Once you're in the mobile view, begin scanning your page from top to bottom. On a phone, visitors see far less at once, so prioritize what appears first and remove visual clutter. Make sure important sections aren't pushed too far down the page. If something feels cramped, give it more breathing room. If elements feel too wide, bring them into a single neat column. Keep an eye out for anything overlapping or too close to the screen edges. Small margins go a long way on mobile. Now, refine your elements. Select text boxes to adjust font sizes and line spacing so they're legible on a small screen. As a rule of thumb, keep body text comfortably readable and make headings clear and scannable. Increase contrast if the text blends into the background. Center or left-align paragraphs for clarity, and trim any overly long lines to avoid wall of text vibes. Remember, if you change the wording itself, that change applies across desktop and mobile, so focus on size, spacing, and alignment charts. For images, tap each one and use the resize handles to scale them down so they load quickly and don't dominate the screen. Check the crop or focal point so the most important part of the image stays visible on tall, narrow displays. If an image is purely decorative and feels heavy, consider making it smaller so content doesn't get buried below the fold. Buttons and links should be large enough to tap comfortably and spaced so you won't accidentally hit the wrong one. Make sure labels are short and clear. Work your way through each section with this same approach. Simplify, enlarge key items, tidy spacing, and maintain a clean visual hierarchy. When everything looks balanced and easy to use on the mobile canvas, you've made your Wix site mobile friendly.